Welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I have the latest subscription in from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't wait to jump in and see what we got. Okay, I think this is one of the Fat Quarter clubs, but I have not been on my shipping lately, so I'm not sure if it is Lori's or Moda's or, oh, it's Christmas! It's Christmas! Oh, it's Lori's! Oh, you guys, this is so cute. Okay, so this is the November 2024 Lori Holt Back Quarter Club. I am so excited to be getting this. We've kind of been a little bit behind schedule some this year, but it's always worth the wait. And I am so excited to be jumping into this group, guys. We're going to have to make something special with this one. There's so many like minty kind of greens. And then we've almost got like a green and pink print. It's called Latte, but it kind of has some pink hues to it. So let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so here's our collection for the November 2024 Lori Holt. Did I say that right? Yes, so that's our November. These are all the different SKUs that you're going to get. And I'm so super excited about these, you guys. They're typical kind of Lori colors, but it does feel like Christmas a lot. So these are really, really cute snowflakes. I don't know that I've ever seen a fabric I like quite as much as that. I really love the aquas mixed in with Christmas. I love my red and green as well, don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's really fun to just have something with a little bit of teal in it at Christmas time. Oh, those are cute. So we have gingerbread and snowmen and bells and hollies and horns and churches and sleighs and stockings. It's everything winter, everything Christmas. Oh, I really like that stripe too. I can't tell. I think that's navy. It's a really, really dark navy, I think. So it's navy with our green stripe. And then just a coordinating green floral. I don't know that I've seen this print before either. I don't have any selvage to tell me what it's from, but that's cute. Little daisies and then these little sprigs. They kind of remind me of dill. I think I've been cooking too many things with dill lately. I like my fresh herbs. And that's really bright. It ties with the whole color palette of this grouping, and actually is the only one that's going to really bring any blue to it. So it has a little bit of blue, pink, red, and gold. And then that's a nice, kind of bigger scale gingham than what I've been seeing lately. I like that. That's kind of fun. And I always love a text print. And like I was saying earlier, this almost has kind of a pink hue to it. It's called Latte, so it's also a little bit, it's an earthy tan, but it does have kind of some pink hues in it. And then those are cute. They're kind of reminiscent of candy canes, but not over the top. And this whole bundle is not over the top. There's a couple prints that very much say Christmas, but then for the most part, you've got some flexibility. There's some gingerbread men, and then those could be cookies. This feels like part of the baking line from a while back. So this is Holiday by Lori Holt. And then we've got some roses. I feel like we got some of this in the last bundle, but in a different colorway. I don't know. And then I've definitely seen this print before. I like it. It's kind of a staple of Lori's to have these little ditzy flowers. Those are fun. And I really like this. This is part of the holiday collection for Hometown. This is really cute and it does feel holiday-ish, but not over the top. I really like that a lot. You guys, this is going to be a fun thing. And I really do. I want to do like just a fat quarter quilt with this and maybe a little bit of background, maybe not so complicated, and just have something that we can make with it and do fun and put it out kind of quickly. So definitely comment and let me know what you think. Okay, guys, that's it for the November Fat Quarter Shop Club for Lori Holt Fabric. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I'm thinking about doing just a fat quarter quilt with just this fat quarter 12 pieces. Let me know if you have a pattern that you think would work for this, because I think that would be a fun, kind of easy December project to do, and I'd love to sew it out with you. So if you like watching any of these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.